I want to do some polishing for the running jump, because if I play right now, I think you're getting way too much distance from a single jump, whereas the standing jump, you're only getting something like 2 or 3 blocks. I'm going to look at the move forward for the running jumps. These two, running move forward and running falling move forward. I want the graph to decrease towards the end, maybe down to 60%. Something like this. Same thing for the fall. I think I'm going to save this graph and put it into the fall. Okay. Let me also try decreasing the speed for both of the running jumps, for both of the running jump move forward abilities. Okay. Maybe 1.3. Okay. Maybe even more. 1.2. 1.2. Okay. I think that looks a lot more natural. And I also want to look at the move forward for the normal jump. I'm going to look for it in the Animator. So here's the normal jump and the move forward for the normal jump. And again, I'm going to have a decreasing graph for the normal jump. Maybe a little more speed for the normal jump, because you start slow. Okay. Let me look at it from a bigger screen. Okay. I think I like the jumps a little better now. Okay.